So we've cut that log there. It was already down. Came off that stump right there. One of the last storms, the big storms that we had. There's the other end of it. Right there. Of course, here's the log. It's about 20 some feet long. Chain wrapped around it. We don't like cutting down live trees for lumber. And that's where this is going. It's going to a sawmill here just down the road that's one of our neighbors owns, or one of my father's neighbors owns.
Yeah, that's a dam. Yeah, them ratcheting cutters, I can get right a hold of that.
What you want. Well, I've got these too. Is what Clint said.
That's what I want. I want the ratcheting ones. See, I can one hand that.
Yeah, but how are you going to hang on to the limb?
He's gonna cut it and then bring it right down here. And then he's gonna put it right there on top of that house.
Brian said to put it down there and shake them down in it and just lay the limb in front.
You're gonna need somebody down here on the ground, aren't you? Yeah. Right, let me get a hat.
Suit on.
No, let me do it first.
Wait till he gets his suit.
All right.
Suit up, Dave. Suit up.
That would be a little bit heavy. It's a real good size limb.
It's gonna be heavy. I promise you. It's about 5 pounds.
Here, Dave, let me have your hands. Dave,
Huh? No, I'm good. I'm good.
my limbs are already down on the box.
Hey, watch out. It's down. It's down. See all the blooms?
Look at the bees on the ground.
Oh, there's hundreds of them on the ground.
Watch where you step, Dave. They're all over the ground. And Brian said hold it over the box and shake it and then lay the limb in front of it.
What do you think?
Did you sugar water the box
Then
like I
get it
told
right
you?
down against it and then just bump it.
Sugar water in the box?
Did you put sugar water in the box?
Not yet.
What are you waiting on?
Do I want to do that now?
No, let me spray the box in. She's still on the
I think
limb.
they wouldn't be there.
Yep, they'll follow her.
When you cut those little limbs
Yeah.
off on the bottom.
I got these good trainers. They like them blooms, didn't they?
Yeah, buddy.
That's a good 5-pound bee, isn't it?
I'd say 5 pounds. One's on the very bottom now, the one that's down here. Yeah, about this tall.
Good pictures, ain't it?
Oh yeah,
From a distance.
from a
They're not
distance.
real violent. You can walk up close. They're not.
Oh, I was up there.
The closer you are, the less chance you're gonna have getting stung.
Yeah, well, whenever I saw them crawling all over you, I backed up a little bit.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Well, has that been a clean bottle? Or
That is clean
and it's
Clear
cool?
through.
and it's 50-50
That's cool.
and it's cool.
Okay.
Let's spray it right on the hive.
Dad didn't do this. He can spray it on the bees too, actually. Yeah. Chill out. See how they're chilling out? Yeah, dude. All good.
Then it says spray the cluster.
Spray
Spray the bees. And then put it right down against the box and shake it a little.
You remember that book that I bought, Dad?
Now what?
That book I bought?
Yeah, you read that after the fact.
Yeah, I know. I learned that about you.
That's like the instructions that come putting stuff together.
That's right. Man don't need instructions.
That'll be good, Clint.
Is that really just sugar water?
Huh?
That's just sugar water?
That sugar water with that bee attractant in it.
Dad, you don't have your glasses on.
All right, now so lay the limb in
Out
front.
in front of her. If she's on there, she'll make her way in. You didn't see her.
Now just let them have at it. The big cluster down there at the bottom, it's actually in the back end of the hive.
That's her. There she is, right there.
You got the queen in it?
That it right there?
Good. Shove her down in so she don't fly.
We just dumped her in there if it was.
No, they were just stuck together with the sugar.
You don't see the queen?
There's a bunch here, though.
How big's the queen?
She'll be just about an eighth, well, probably a quarter-inch long.
Look, there's another cluster up there. They're going back up there. I bet the queen's right there.
Well, let me go cut it down.
We'll do it now.
Yeah, let me spray it.
You think the queen's up there?
Yeah, that's why they're going back.
Well, there've been some out flying, Dad. And they're coming back to this, going, where did she go?
I would cut it and shake that in there too.
Well, sure. But see how they chill out when you spray with this cold sugar water?
There's honey in here.
It's okay.
That's sugar water, that's what you want. Is that on one limb or two, Clint?
Two. There's two limbs there together, David. Grab it right there. Just lay it. Lay that whole
Look
thing
how
on.
active they are on that hive.
Oh yeah.
There you go. We need to put some grass in the front of that entryway in that box after we get them to go in there.
Grass.
Yep.
We need to put a lid on it now?
Well, we
No.
gotta let them kind of congregate down to the bottom. They're taking to this hive in a heartbeat. They're liking it.
How long do you leave it sit there before you can move it?
You can leave it here all day long. And then we need to put grass in it, and then we take them somewhere and leave. You got another stand?
Grass in it.
Am I taking these to my house, or are you keeping them?
Whatever. It don't matter to me.
You got another thing made?
Another hive ready? No.
We can just leave it here till tomorrow. And until you get things ready if you want to.
Brian said don't do that. They'll find their own way.
Oh, will they?
Yeah. He said if the queen's in there, they'll all get in that box.
I don't know how they got out here. I guess they were just hanging in that long.
That fell off when you shook the limb, a cluster of them fell off there.
Couldn't help it.
But we won't have to be concerned about
But
putting
that's
a lid
half
on
of
it
the
or
beans.
anything.
This
Not
thing
right
down here must not be real.
Dad, where's your brush at?
I don't have a brush.
Mom, you got a super soft paintbrush or something like that?
That's fine. I don't know.
I do.
Where is it?
These things are working up a storm.
Well, there's still a queen in there, probably. They left because they took the queen. The queen, they raised the queen and they left.
And the old queen took half the hive.
Yep. No, the new queen takes it and leaves. They'll rear her up and keep the other one away, and then they'll leave.
Shouldn't you have all the frames in there?
No, not yet. I'll drop them in once they start getting in there and getting settled.
No.
But what I
You see
want to
the
do,
queen outside, Dave?
what I want to do is I want to brush them bees in there and get the lid on it. Get that top cover and get the lid on it so that they start going to the entryway.
Brian said that's $100 right there.
Sure it is.
You
So
know,
go
there's
get me the
more
brush
bees-
so I can brush
there's
them in
more
there.
bees over here than there is over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do,
We
is
need
turn
to
the box.
Took right to it. All right, hold on. Good. To the sawmill.